Earning the Certified Quality Auditor (CQA) certification is a major milestone in a quality professional's career. However, continuous learning and advanced certifications can open even more doors in quality management, compliance, and process improvement. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. Career opportunities for CQA certified professionals, 2. Advanced certifications beyond CQA, 3. Industries and sectors where quality auditors thrive, 4. Next steps for career growth and specialization. By exploring these options, professionals can enhance their skills, increase earning potential, and advance into leadership roles. 1. Career opportunities for CQA certified professionals. Roles for CQA certified professionals. Quality auditor conducts internal, external, and supplier audits. Compliance manager ensures adherence to ISO, FDA, OSHA, and industry regulations. Quality manager oversees quality control processes and risk management. Regulatory affairs specialist works with government agencies to meet compliance standards. Lead auditor guides audit teams and ensures audit program effectiveness. Industries that value CQA certification. Manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, electronics, and industrial products. Pharmaceutical and healthcare, FDA compliance, GMP, and ISO 3485. Food and beverage, CQA, and food safety audits. Technology and software, ISO 27001 for IT security audits. Energy and environmental, ISO 14001 for sustainability and EHS audits. 2. Advanced certifications beyond CQA. Certified Quality Engineer, CQE, focuses on quality control, statistical process control, and Six Sigma principles. Certified Six Sigma Black Belt, CSSBB, specializes in process improvement and lean manufacturing. ISO Lead Auditor, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, required for third-party certification audits. Certified Manager of Quality Organizational Excellence, CMQOE, designed for leaders managing quality improvement initiatives. Certified Regulatory Compliance Manager, CRCM, ideal for professionals in finance, healthcare, and regulated industries. 3. Industries and sectors where quality auditors thrive. Aerospace and automotive, demand for AS 9100 and IATF 16949 auditors. Medical devices and pharmaceuticals, regulatory focus on FDA, GMP, and ISO 3485. Information security and IT auditing, compliance with ISO 27001 and SOC 2. Environmental health and safety EHS auditing, ISO 14001 and ISO 45001 compliance. 4. Next steps for career growth and specialization. Continue professional development. Attend ASQ conferences and join professional organizations. Gain hands-on experience. Volunteer for supplier audits and compliance reviews. Pursue additional certifications. Choose advanced certifications based on career goals. Key takeaways. CQA certification opens doors to careers in quality auditing, compliance, and risk management. Advanced certifications like CQE, CSSBB, ISO Lead Auditor, and CMQOE provide further specialization. Industries such as aerospace, healthcare, IT security, and EHS have growing demand for quality auditors. Ongoing learning, industry networking, and hands-on audit experience help professionals advance their careers. By continuing education and obtaining advanced certifications, quality auditors can maximize their career potential and become industry leaders. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to create a long-term career plan for success in quality auditing.